Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at diagnostics and doing a brief overview on this GE freestanding electric oven. This GE freestanding electric oven is equipped with self-clean, 2 dual zone elements, as well as a sleek top to prevent any burn marks and easy cleaning. The most common problems you'll find with this unit is that
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video, and let us help you do it right the first time.